you should, if you can, get a product discovery session. Like, that is the very best way I have seen for beginners on Amazon to find the best product, is to get some help from an Amazon mentor to help you get that. And if you haven't done that and you really want to get it taken care of, let me know and we'll hook you up. The Amazon mentors are awesome. And that's the number one way, if you want to get started and get started fast, that you should go about doing it. Second way is to follow my system that I put together for choosing products. Like, I detailed my entire step-by-step process for choosing products. It's all laid out for you, Rachel. Follow through with that and you will, at the end of it, whilst it is a pain in the arse, I will grant you that, but it does work and it will find you some great products to sell. I will also say on the back of that, things to consider as well. You should base your decision-making process for your product on the amount of money that you have. So some products are more expensive than others, and clearly a product that costs you, I don't know, $50 to buy at wholesale cost, buying 200 of those for your Amazon store is going to be a much different invoice to get than if your product costs $1 and you spend $200 on product. So consider your budget. That's important for you to think about. Consider your time as well. So some products, let's just go back to our little Himalayan salt lamp here. Some products are more competitive than others. So if we go for Himalayan salt lamps, there are 1,000 people selling Himalayan salt lamps in America. So reasonable amount of competition that you're going to be up against, and not that you can't beat it, it's just that will take two things. It will take time on your part and money on your part to do it, okay? So consider the amount of time you've got to work on your Amazon business, and also consider the amount of money you've got to promote your product. Also consider the level of base skills you have as well. Different strategies require different skills to go ahead and do that. And for me as well, a really big thing that I look at, and people often kind of, like you'll say, I often hear people say, I just want to sell what makes the most money. And for me, that's utter bullshit. I can think of few worse strategies than that when it comes to actually selling things on Amazon. Just want to sell what makes the most money. Well, unfortunately, on Amazon now, you cannot just rely on Amazon to make all the sales for you. You have to have a unified approach to selling things on Amazon that includes things like social media. And if you don't actually like the product that you're selling, you're just in it for the dough, then you'll find it extremely difficult to promote your product on social media. So that doesn't work. Instead, think about the product. For me, I go, well, what would I be really happy to tell my mum I sell? Or would I be really happy to tell my mum I sell these 12-inch vibrators, for instance, on Amazon? And if I'd be happy, like my mum would find that hilarious, I sell vibrators on Amazon, but some mums wouldn't. So if your folks wouldn't be happy with that, then don't sell them. Find something else, find something that you do believe in, find something that you can be proud of selling on Amazon and sell that. And the secret is, Amazon is a kind of platform where you can make money selling most things if you do it right. Where you can make money selling most things if you do it right, okay? So, Rach, follow the system or get some one-on-one help and consider your unique circumstances that will help you come to the perfect product for you. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie online entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie online entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.